Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today's vlog begins here at Mark's house. She would start the blow dryer right when I'm starting my vlog. So loud. And today's special guest, we have Kezeah! And she's gonna take us wherever we're going today. We don't really have a set itinerary. For today's vlog, we came up with a name. What's it called?
Food tour.
It's called Kezeah's Oahu Food Tour. Sorry, we're currently in a food coma, but let's go! We obviously, you guys have seen the Hawaii trips and like you know where we've been. Now we want to explore like something new. Like, have we been to this tree in front of us? That right there. Have we been there? Have we been in that grass? Oh, the light's green. Alright, vlog continues later. Everybody waiting. So last time we were here, we got in pretty quick, but there was like a table of how many of us? Like 6 last time. So we were here with like a group of 6 2 years ago, and we left just in time, and everybody started showing up. But yeah. Alright, so as usual, I always forget to record the ordering. We ordered the short ribs, as always, and yeah, this is pretty good though. Let me film the Helenas because they expanded their operations. If you guys notice, look how big the restaurant is now. So before it used to be like half of the restaurant. Now it's like almost 3 times the size. No, yeah, like 3 times the size. So yeah, pretty good. Alright, so what had happened was we ended up killing everything on our table. Bomb. So bomb. Bam. Yeah, that's the aftermath of Helena's. Aftermath. Food coma. Yeah, so that's that. On to the next food adventure. Whoa, what's going on here? Alright, so second stop of the day. We are gonna be right next door to Fang's, where we were on the last trip.
Listening to you. Listening to her.
Yeah, so we're in the same little plaza that we were last time. We're heading to Thangs. Actually, no, we're not heading to Thangs. We're heading to, what's the place called? Bay? We're heading to next door to Thangs. It's called Ube. So we're gonna go check that out. Cause Kezeah is gonna show us what's up. Ube before anything else. It's called Ube. Thanks, bro.
Cheese are soft and chewy and then crispy on the outside. Ube tart, a popular item with a butter sherbet crust around it and cheesecake filling. And then our cheesecake cup with a graham cracker crust on the bottom. A popular item is the peanut tart and the cookies. Yeah. Eat all together? Yes, that's it.
Yeah, so we're always like down there, but we don't really like. We're always like down there, but we don't walk this way. And there's like a whole bunch of other spots on this side that we don't really check out when we're here. But you know, Kezeah's gonna show us what's up. Oh dang! Oh dang! It's for real. So they're hooking it up for the Insta and the Snap. Okay, go. Reaction. How's that? How's that? Bomb?
He was like, I'm happy with it. I actually like the cookie better.
Oh, bomb. Yeah. Hands down. It's not bad.
Oh god, this is so good.
Wow.
You going back? I'll bring that back for more.
Oh, there's another 6. Alright, sorry. Good bomb. Good little spot.
The pasta is so good. I actually like this better. Yeah. Well, because I'm not into like creamy stuff too much. But this is bomb. I can eat this one for days. Yeah, I'm definitely bringing this back.
Alright guys, so we drove like what, 20 minutes? 38 minutes. We're checking out this spot called Pa'ala'a Kai Bakery. Right, Kezeah? They got yummy stuff here. What are the yummy stuffs? Oh, okay. It's called... Oh, there. That lady. Miss Snow Puffy. Okay. How many are you getting? How many are we getting?
You guys are the awkward.
Hands of magical hands. Alright, we're doing unboxing right here in front of Pa'ala'a. Oh, Pa'ala'a.
Wow.
Ooh, look at that. That's some heavy duty stuff. Look at that. That's some heavy duty stuff right here. We're here at Pa'ala'a Kai. Pop squat. Go. Okay.
There you go.
So it's called PKB. Pa'ala'a Kai Bakery.
I choose this one because I don't like too much sugar.
I like a lot of sugar. Wow.
Oh my god.
Good? Amazing? When was the last time you had this?
They buy it for jogging.
Oh. Story that. Alright, so we just storied that. Oh dang. Where do I start? We're just gonna go right smack
I think
dab.
you'll know what this tastes like.
Smack dab in the middle.
It tastes something similar.
Oh, no, it's bending. Oh, you said it was light. This is hecka heavy. It's like 5 pounds, guys. It's like 5 pounds of amazingness right here. It's like a dumbbell. Look at this. Look at this flex. Look at this flex. It's so heavy. Here we go.
You guys are trying to catch whatever falls, but the wind blows it away anyway.
Oh, this is straight up like a cream puff. Oh, it's like malasada filling, kind of. But better is Kezeah with all the powder all over as he's trying to record. So as she's trying to record me, it's like powder flying all over Kezeah.
Not far anymore.
Look at this. It's like hanging over. Not gonna let gravity win. Gravity will not win. Wow. So, we came up with a name for the vlog. For today's vlog, we came up with a name. What's it called?
Food tour.
It's called The Food Tour.
It's Kezeah's food tour.
Kezeah's Honolulu
Food tour.
Food Tour.
Oh, not Honolulu, Oahu.
Oh, that's right. Okay, redo. It's called Kezeah's Oahu Food Tour. Sorry, we're currently in a food coma, but let's go! Alright, so now we're here at this point. We're near at this at the point of the end. We're at the end of the map, basically. You know the end of the map when you guys look at the map on Oahu, when you pass the north side and you go all the way to the end of the road, that's where we're at. Yeah, so pretty much they're out here right now. Let me show you guys on the map where we are. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're here on that side of the island. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is Oahu. Pretty much, if you drive up, this is North Shore up there, right? But we drove past the Pa'ala'a Kai Bakery here where the green mark is, and now we went to the blue, where we are here, the blue dot. That's where we're at. So yeah, pretty clean, pretty cool little outlook spot here. Albert and Kezeah are going to the water.
I can go down there.
Pretty crazy, huh? I don't know. So nice. Rainy and all that, but I mean, other than that, what the heck are they doing? I feel like flying the drone, but at the same time, I don't. Sprinkling hard enough where it will affect the, it'll be affecting the electronics of the, it'll affect the electronics of the drone. So, yeah, not one of those things you want to do, especially when it rains. the camera is wet. Oh, it's still dark. Hello, we're light-skinned. All right, so now we are. Oh, where's Anak? Anak. So we're now heading back. We're heading back to town, to Honolulu. We're gonna get out of the countryside because we gotta make it back to meeting by later. So yeah, we're now leaving. We're now leaving the deserted end of the road to head back to civilization.